jump right into
Painting.
painting.
The only thing I'd look at is, oh gosh, it's so hard to see. The seams here. It might be easier if I paint the background. I don't know. So okay, would it be in texture paint? Would it?
Yeah.
So we're going to texture paint. We get a nicer view of our character.
Just paint on the character right now, just to see.
This is my brush. This is my radius. Yeah, so it's a nice fleshy color. Ah! Would you look at that? I guess we should color his whole head. Well, we could make him all this color to begin with, I guess.
There's a fill tool as well.
Who's Phil?
Actually, let's not do this. Undo. Don't. You don't have enough undo options. So.
Okay.
So.
This is the one bit.
Little icon in texture paint. This one next to view.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you select it, it allows you to select only paint on the selected faces. And when you click on enable that option, another tool pops here. This one, face selection.
Yeah.
So you can select faces. It's not really helpful. I don't know how to fix this. It's not very obvious.
Oh yeah, I can see
because of the lighting.
Yeah.
Like, it's probably because of the mode options. Every render mode has settings that change the lighting.
Right.
But
okay.
Like
well, I can
say select all the faces for the head,
yeah.
and then go to fill bucket, maybe bucket fill.
Can you do the X-ray on this mode as well? Yeah. Probably not going to help.
It helps.
Okay, and then we go.
So there's one thing to remember: brush and fill has different colors.
That's fun. I like that. Fun feature. And then you just click and it does it. Great. Oh, I thought I'd selected.
Roll image. You can safely click on Yuno's link.
Oh, thank you. Does that only select that? I thought.
X-ray didn't work?
No.
Yeah, I hate the selection in texture paint. What I do is rather go to layout, switch the layout tab, and select the faces from there and switch back to texture paint.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's fill with that. Great. Oh, he kinda has a. Okay.
It's okay. We're just exploring our tools here.
Yes, that's what we call it. Yeah, the texture makes it very hard to know what's clicked and what isn't, doesn't it?
Yes.
Sweet. Okay, so we'll probably fill those as well.
Are you in the viewport shading? Like, which one is it in the render mode?
I was in viewport shading, yes.
Okay, there's a drop down next to it. What happens when you play with the strength?
Strength.
Oh, you have different stuff. Okay. The third one. Can you select the third one? Yeah. Does it help you somewhat?
No, not much, to be honest. It's okay. I really don't like this gap in his belly. Also, what is going on there? That must be bleeding, is it?
Yes.
Interesting.
So this is why you need to go detailedly, moving away vertices in the UV, but I don't think we should work on that right now.
Yeah, yeah. So, like, when you get stuff like that, you find it and then you move things to it and hope it doesn't stretch too much. Hey, Wimmis.
Well, you should fix them in the first place, yes. UV God.
Thank you. Perfect UVing.
And perfect texture painting in the chest hairbit.
So if we wanted to give him a face, like our design thing, what is it here? Hello, Mario. So if we're not going to model here, we just paint it on him. He'll look great.
Yeah, try painting.
I'm struggling to get a brown. Oh, it's probably because of that, isn't it? Yeah.
Do you have your pen?
Oh yeah, I do. So we can go bang straight on.
I guess F is changing the radius.
Oh, that's really handy. Yeah.
Oh,
and then click when you're happy, is it?
I guess.
Yeah.
But I'm always happy, so click right away.
Mirrored hair. I forgot about that. Oh, so you can actually do it light. It's like some alpha to this. Did I set the alpha down here?
Yeah, it has a strength, I guess.
Strength is 1 now. Oh, it is still. Oh, is it this?
Then it has a fall off as well.
Radius. Fall off. So.
Yes, if you select that one, then you would be starting to draw like a pixel art. You can get your radius to 1 as well.
Oh, it still seems to be like. Do you see how it's like coloring?
Yeah, let me watch your stream. Yeah, it's weird.
Maybe it's the way I feel I've chose the color.
I'm not sure. I don't have that.
Oh, I think it's just because I'm using the pen. It automatically does the alpha.
You have the pen pressure, of course.
Yeah. So I'm not used to having to scrape so hard, to be honest with you.
You should be able to turn it off.
I'll just scrape really hard. It's fine.
Be careful.
There we go. Beautiful. So he's definitely just got to have a center part in now, right? Because it's a mirrored head. We're forced.
Okay, so next to the strength, you can see the strength pressure and radius pressure as well.
Is it this?
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, that little but right, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, if you're doing it properly, you probably do want the pressure, I guess, wouldn't you? But yeah, for us, it's fine not to. So we turn this off. There we go. It's permanently max pressure now. Beautiful, boy.
Maybe you could get the fall off back on to have some smoother.
What was it on before? Do you remember? Was that, I think? Oh yeah, I see what you mean. It's nicer then, doesn't it?
Yeah, the resolution is not too big anyway, so.
Yeah.
With 1K resolution, you have textures anyways.
Anticore, thanks for the follow. Okay, sweet. So the hair looks stupid, of course it does, but it's fine.
It doesn't. I mean, it does from the backside.
I don't want to look. I don't want to look.
I'd imagine.
Can you choose the color? There must be a little pipet thing.
It's on top left next to text draw text. Up. Right, up. Right. There's a black thing.
That. I'm guessing that's what you meant. Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, I think the UV grid looks good on this character, like a pajama.
Nice outfit, huh? Oh, his beard is a lot more. I should just use the same colour from the hair, shouldn't I, using this thing? For one of the lighter colours.
I really want to see the back hair of this character right now, the bald.
It's a new look. And also,
to be honest, this image looked better than the one you drew in the concept one.
Ah! Gotta give him some neck beard going on as well, haven't we?
Neck beard. It's important.
It's important.
Nice.
The mirror is quite satisfying when it works. Yeah.
By the way, you don't have to have mirror modifier on for this. Like there's another symmetry option in the painting, texture painting here.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
So how would we turn off the mirror? Is this after you apply it, do you mean? So if I apply the mirror modifier?
Yes.
Okay. But, yeah. Okay.
Yes, of course. You can paint on the UV window as well. The 2D side. If it makes sense. Try that too then.
What, as in just painting on this side? Oh, over here you mean? Of course, yeah. Let me re-chat. Sorry, I got distracted doing this. And to have asymmetric details, you have to finalize the mirror first and do the UV mapping afterwards. Yeah, that sounds about right. Render has so many things. Yeah, there's a lot, isn't there? Isn't that Alicia in Animal Crossing? No, this is not how she looks. Hello there, chat. How you doing, South? Nice to see you. And to paint on the UV map. Yeah, so can we Can we check plane material visibility on click point? Can I don't know what you're asking, if I'm honest with you. I'm very new at Blender. I'm an engineer rather than a
artist.
Yeah. Oh, so also though, because the mirror's on, the UV's doing that though, isn't it? So if we finish the mirror, this UV would change because it wouldn't know to use this for both of them then, would it?
Yeah, we won't apply the mirror.
So I'm going to ask you, like you just linked to Google Drive, which isn't a very safe looking link. I said I don't understand what you're saying, so if you could explain it a bit more.
It's all right. I will click on it.
Yeah, but it's just nice for other people in chat, isn't it?
It's a video that tries to load, but never loads.
Yeah, I find it a lot easier to draw up here. Can't remember how I did a mouth on this. I didn't draw a mouth. Probably why I don't know how to do it. Is this called UV mapping? Yeah, so this is the UV mapping. This is texture painting. There. We have a plane with puzzle parts and we should attach it only if we click to visible part of plane. Are you talking about what I'm doing or are you talking about something completely different random, dude? I don't know what you're on about, with respect. Brain, do you want me to rotate?
Rotate what?
The character.
Ah, yes, please.
Da-da.
Spin.
Oh, he's not even skin on top. Oh, so you want to know, can you check the material visibility when you click in your game? I don't know. I don't know. And so yeah, I can see probably...
The video doesn't show up on my end, so I cannot help it either.
Right. So let's, from the top, we need to draw him a bit of hair, haven't we? It's a bit disappointing. I think we should probably use the... let's pull this color in. Let's fill in this. Oh no. Remember when Brian said there's a different color choice for fill? Yeah. Yeah, I remember.
The stupidest thing I have ever experienced in Blender.
I mean, I don't like that.
I don't feel it, just paint it away, man.
No, I just want a base coat, mate. But do you know what? When you do color picker, because this is faded, I got to pick it from here. There we go.
Pick it from the...
Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Right. Let's just paint like a madman now. I think we're going to put a bit of our strength thing on again. A bit of artsy here. We got our center parting.
Oh, by the way, we need to save the image. Like I told you.
Oh yeah, separately. Otherwise, you lose all of this, right?
Yes. So on the UV side, there's a menu item called image, and you can save it from there.
Yeah, I'll go for that now. Give me just a sec. I need to give him this line down the middle. Enter part in yo. Okay, so from here, image, save as, and we just give this a name. Character texture PNG. Cool, we'll save that.
And also, you can go to File, External Data, automatically pack into Blend.
Oh, what was that? Sorry, can you...
File, External Data, automatically pack into Blend. So that way it keeps that image inside the... saves it inside the blend file.
Right, okay. But you still have to save it separately?
Default setting.
Okay, let's get... I changed my mind that we don't want that on. Let's choose some hairy colours. The radius is a bit...
Hairy colours.
This reminds me of drawing Liam. top down art.
So you will draw the blooded version of this as well.
Of course. Oh, I can't draw on this bit.
You can't. It could be a normal issue, but you.
Oh no, it's the light. I think.
Feel it.
I think it's the lighting of the scene.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is.
Fun.
Do you have lights in your scene?
Maybe.
No, I mean in the outline. Light.
Yeah, I'll have a look for you now. No.
Okay.
Anyway, this is just practice. I shouldn't take longer than I need to on this hit. Okay, fine. And then we'd go... it's fine. Everything's fine.
You can do this in Affinity Designer as well.
Oh, as in I could do it, and then import it in, do you mean? But then how you'd have to drag this over and scale it and stuff, is it? No. Or would you know you put this in Affinity?
Yes.
Does it? How do the lines render? Or do you just do it as a different layer? I guess that would make more sense.
Yes, like there's a thing called export UV layout, and you also save the image and put it as another layer.
Layer.
Colors are not matching.
Shh. Perfect. I can't even think where this person's beard would be. And where does it end? Where does an ear begin?
This person is surrounded by beard, my friend.
I got a feeling it'd be more like this, and we're gonna have to just shave him a bit.
I got a feeling. Oh no.
I don't know. Perfect ear. I can't draw in there. Oh yeah, I can.
Thanks for the artistry.
What type of game are you making at the moment, dude? We're doing a series of just trying to learn. So it's the projects we're calling it is a monthly game dev challenge, and this month is to try and make a character from scratch and get it into a game engine. So I'm a game developer rather than a modeler or artist, as you can probably tell. But yeah.
You can tell by the penis ear.
Wow.
That's what Uno said. It's not my words.
It doesn't make it right if that's what Uno said.
It never makes it right.
But yeah, so we're not actually working on a product at the moment.
It makes it wrong.
But yeah, it's just a way for us to learn a bunch of different skills every month, and to do something we enjoy in that as well. So that's the aim of it.
Back
Okay.
off the head.
Yeah, and sort this head out. What? Oh, it's because I'm selected from this stupid. Beautiful. Seamless. There you go. It's just what everyone's beard looks like. It's definitely not how hair looks, but we're going with it. Okay. He's a monk of sorts. Alt middle mouse, get back to this back. Okay. Did you consider a career as a barber? Thank you, Hefu, for trying to help us out. I don't have a clue with materials and whether you can pick up that information. Thank you for being patient.
We can try the smudge tool for a change for this section.
The what tool? Sorry, this?
Smudge, the third one.
Here we go. Oh. Wonderful.
And blends color into each other.
It's like a bear's face. I've accidentally done a bear.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty good. Oh. Oh, for flip's sake. Blender controls. There you go, look at that. Modern art, people. Or a raccoon. You make your mind up. Oh, you can imagine this would be trendy with some barbers, some kids asking for this sort of...
you definitely are a barber now. Then the hairdresser.
There you go. Yeah, we'll definitely just go back to using the brush.
I mean, what I meant, like, throw basic shapes of different colors there, then smudge them into each other.
Okay, I'll give that a go in a sec now. So we'll say we want a chunk of that.
Yeah, just like that.
And then we'll get a little bit of lighter again. Just a patch by here maybe. And then we will use this blur tool. And we'll try and blend them in together somewhat.
Yeah.
Oh, there you can start to see the colours changing. Yeah. It'll turn into another bear all of a sudden, doesn't it?
Or a shark.
A shark you want? Okay, I can do a shark. No, but to be honest, like the kind of effect I've got there does look nice. It doesn't... I mean, if I did the hair all over like that, it'd look pretty cool.
I actually said Rorschach.
Here you go, Brainoid. We have relatively realistic back hair now.
Yeah, it looks like, to me it looks like Flames from Reload album.
To me, it looks like perfect hair.
Well, it looks like Flame.
Is this
happy? Everyone's happy.
Is this a psychology test now? You know those things. I know what you mean. Oh gosh.
Yeah, that's what I wrote. I said Rorschach.
Oh, is that the name of? Oh god, the beard is terrible. I don't. How did I do it? It looked alright when I did it this way. Ah, that's the
you
difference.
Use the smudge tool to fix it.
No.
Now you're a master of the smudge tool.
The problem is the shape of the head. We did not stay true to this. We don't have, unless we put the eyes over here. You can kind of see it a bit from the side, right? You can kind of see their face, which is fine. But we're never going to be able to draw it in the same way as we did. I think, yeah.
I hope your character is going to wear a huge one-piece jumpsuit, one color.
You don't think this is beautiful? Oh gosh, I give him a mole.
I think it takes time
to be good. Look. It takes a little bit of practice. Perfectly glorious. There we go. Just had to chunk out his face a little bit. That's all. What happened to his moustache as well? I don't know when that went soft.
You went soft then.
Okay. Thank you, people, for humouring my art as well. Anyway, okay, so I guess we probably...
It's still adding details there. Stop.
Of course we are. Look, we just fixed this side of his head, which had like a horrible beard.
Horrible.
Horrible. Alright. But Brainerd is right. This is something I should probably do in my spare time rather than do this now, because this isn't part of the learning. This is just part of the realization that you're not gifted at art. Okay, so we're just gonna add a little signature in there. So one day this sells. This sells.
Dressed by Dan.
Just so you know. Look at the bottom of his chin. Oh no. Look. This is how we wanted him to look. Okay. Well, thanks for that. Thanks for making me realise that the journey is not near done. Where am I painting right now? I'm trying to see on the down here. Right, so we can just color this, right?
Ah, finally. Some techniques to get it faster.
Yeah, about. This is just draft 1. We're going over this soon.
Draft 1?
I'm joking. Okay. Thank you, Uno. There must be a delete rubber as well. Is there a clear, or is it just alpha 0 you paint with?
What, clear you mean?
If I want to delete.
There's no delete. No delete at all.
How would I unpaint?
What do you mean?
Like if I want to get rid of these bits here.
It's a single layered destructive painting, so.
But can you not paint in like 0 alpha to get rid of it?
No.
Oh. So I can't
They're
unpaint.
on the same layer, so how can you 0 alpha it?
So I guess I'm guessing this is an actual texture behind it, isn't it? Okay, no, that's fine. I understand. It's fine. Anyway, thank you for pointing out the underside of his chin, dear Uno. You're a darling. Okay, what's he going to be wearing then, huh? Well, he's meant to just be wearing blue pants, so I think we'll go with that for the sake of speed. So we need to go into this. Select. No, that's a bit too many.
Oh.
We'll do that.
Do this selection in layout mode.
Oh, yeah. layout mode being
layout
in this
tab. Yeah, here in edit modes.
Yeah.
And
so
then when you switch back, you'll see that you have it selected.
Okay, sweet.
X-ray.
Yeah.
Yay.
So I think his pants are going to go to here. We want faces as well, not vertices. So. That's great. So then we go back to UV.
You can select the legs as well.
It's as if you want to be efficient or something. Okay. Then we go to UV. Texture
I'm an
painting.
engineer too.
Uh-oh. I think I'm in it. Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Phil, get the color. Don't paint him hairy. Okay, and we paint.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, and then we need to go to this section here. We might just do it again in this way. It was quite a quick way of doing it.
Okay. I guess. Blue. It's broken. Switch to another tab and. No, you're.
I didn't go to texture painting. Yeah. Beautiful.
Lovely.
He is beautiful. Now, really, I mean, we have to draw a cape attached to his back, right? No, we don't. We don't.
But.
Okay.
Is it allowed to draw nipples on Twitch?
Oh, that is a very, very valid point. I mean, I could give him. We could put on the strength and give him a little bit of chest hair at least.
Okay.
Oh, crikey! Don't do that.
So you have the selection disabled. Selection mode disabled.
So
next to view.
Sorry? Next to view that.
You have the selection. Wait,
I don't.
Not sure. Yes, you have the selection mode enabled still. So it only paints in the selected.
Right.
No.
How do you? I don't know how you.
Icon next to view.
Sorry?
The icon next to view. Menu.
Oh, next to UV.
No, let me show you.
Yeah, sorry, dude.
On my end. Remember this icon?
This thing.
Paint mask.
Right. So that's the thing that lets you select just areas, is it? And then paint in those areas only. Right. Because we did that for the fill. Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can draw everywhere.
He's been dipped in chocolate. Oh, dear me. Oh, what? Where's my strength? It's far too. It's far too heavy. I wanted it to be like light scribbles.
Oh, where's my strength?
Oh, it's meant to be on. That's why. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Just a little bit of background color to him, and then we'll get into that fine, hairy chest detail. Now it's going to be a thing of wondrous beauty.
Perfect.
Okay, here. Lots of little curls here now. Ah, it's beautiful. Don't worry, we've got to give him back hair soon as well. It'd be beautiful.
Suddenly he's in love with his texture.
This looks like another psychology test. The symmetry. It looks like, hang on, there's another face in here.
Yeah, not face, but humanoids.
Yeah, with big hair. Like, there's his chin.
I can see
there's
the horns.
Eyes. You can see horns in here.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Not there. Not there.
Lucifer, Vincent is back.
No, not there. Wait. I don't have Photoshop open because I restarted my computer this morning.
Thank you for the follow, Sharon. Will he get a Joe tattoo on his upper arm? That would be great. He looks like he was tortured in some prison. Look, this is beautiful.
I was talking about this bit.
Oh, okay, yeah, that works. Oh, whoa, there's like definitely a weird face at the top.
Yeah.
So let's bring that across. It's like I can see like if that's the nose and this is the eyes. It's like some weird evil cat on the top as well.
Yeah.
That is so weird. Anyway, we were just giving him a bit of furriness, we were. Then we started drawing nasty creations accidentally. So there you go. Oh gosh, he's a furry old fella, isn't he? I feel this is terms and conditions. This is just the reason we gave him here was to cover the nipples so we don't get banned. And now he's just a hairy mess. There's something about the symmetrical thing and doing these patterns that you do end up coming up with these weird faces all the time. Even that looks like a bit like a frog.
I think that's enough. I mean, you're started to become to look like a grizzly bear. Maybe you can add some in your armpits, and that's enough.
Oh, gosh, that's a bit high. I just want to do a bit of.
Okay.
It's hard to do legs because it just seems so.
And some hair popping out of your pants.
No.
No.
No. Maybe it's the strength I need. Down. Just one icon.
Are you old enough to have some hair in your ears?
Yes.
Nice.
Not nice. No, it's not nice. Yeah, he's far too hairy. We're not going to go for that. But we can give him a little bit of a knee.
No.
Anyway, yeah, okay, sweet. Here he is. He has a hairy back as well. Let's not discriminate.
Armpit hair.
There we go, brain.
Yeah, that's important. Thanks.
There we go. Ready for everything. I'm not giving him ear here.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Okay, let's see this one running and also save the image. Don't forget to do that.
Okay.
It's just a good practice to save often.
Yeah. So Hercules knee. Yeah, that's what I was going for. Those little swirly things. Because you could do one like on the elbow as well. But I know the animations would look horrid. All right. So I can't keep that like that. Look at it. Okay. Anyway.
Nice.
Perfect.
You learned a lot.
Yes. So what would the step be now in terms of, let's look at the list of things that we said we'd try and look at today. Okay. So create a character from scratch. Create a rig from scratch. Sorry. Testing animations, white painting, customizing animations, UV unwrapping, and texture painting. So we've had a brief look at texture painting. I guess one thing that would be nice to do would be to output the UV wrap into a software like you said you could do as an alternative approach. Is that how...
I mean, it's not as fast as you do it in Blender because you cannot see the end result right away.
Yeah.
But like, for example, if you want to add some skin detail right now, it makes sense to export this and.
Right. Okay. It is Blender. Use smooth shading and mark sharps where needed.
Yeah, I want to see how it looks in smooth shading. So let's switch back to layout.
Okay.
Wait, I'm watching you from stream because this Discord share quality is shit.
Okay.
So actually, you can change the render mode so we can see the texture. Okay. Go to edit mode.
Edit. Yeah.
Tab. Okay. Select all.
Yeah.
And so there's a mesh menu on top left. There we have shading and smooth faces. Let's switch back to object mode.
Just all looks a bit more soft, doesn't it?
Okay, yeah. So it looks soft, right? And now let's go back to edit mode. And for example, select the. You see this seams in front of the face, right? Select that seam.
Oh, this what which one? This thing.
The front face seams.
X-ray.
X-ray.
I'm trying to turn it off. Is it on or off? I don't even. So you're going to make these the sharp ones, so you still have that angle, is it?
Yes, let's try that.
Let's just do it for now. So it'd be in mesh, shading, sharp edges.
No.
Right click.
Right click, mark sharp, and they will get blue. Well, they don't because you have also seams there. What? Didn't work?
Didn't seem so. Mark sharp. I tried.
It did work. It actually worked. Yeah, I can see it. We should try it elsewhere.
Yeah. So the thing is, I just want to also say to people that I purposely did it not so it was like a tubby thing like this. Like, because it's based on the pixel art stuff, my initial plan was to have it so it didn't have so it was like clunky and use that intentionally. Yes. So just saying to chat more than you.
It's the style.
Yes. I'm trying to remember where it was. Mesh,
shading, flat faces.
That's it, yeah. Yeah, because as much as you do get these flat faces, that's what it's meant. It's not meant to look good. If I wanted it to look smooth, I would have used more triangle. I would have used more faces, I think.
When I modeled it. For just fun, can we add a subdivision modifier?
Yeah. So we're in the right mode for it, aren't we already? Wrench. Can I do it in object mode so I can see it better? Yeah.
Subdivision surface is on the second column, fourth on the bottom.
Go.
So yeah, go to the details of it. Very bottom.
Which one's here?
Yeah, increase the quality. It already added it, but.
Oh, sorry, I thought it was dragging. I wasn't. The quality's not really changing anything there.
And the viewport, can you change the viewport?
Oh yeah.
Because that's what we see. This is the viewport. Yeah, it perfectly increases the detail. Yeah, that happens.
Yeah, there's something about it being like soft like that I don't like.
Me no like either.
Unless you kept them like full coloured, then if they were just like blobs of plasticine like that, it works. But it feels too.
Okay, delete the subdivision surface. Just press close button.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just having a
one more try.
Look around it. Yeah, even like just these bits. There's certain parts of it which just have a bit too much. Yeah, that like sort of shape there. It's very smooth. Okay, sweet. So let's remove this. Is the?
It was there. Why did you scroll up?
At the bottom? Sorry, all I see is a load of stuff. I don't see it very easy to see where delete is.
Yeah, the one on the bottom. There's a cross.
That. What's all of this other stuff then? Are these other things that are on there?
One of them.
Mirror, I can see. Armature, UV. Oh, right, okay. That makes more sense now. Get rid of that one. Right, okay.
Okay, congrats. We can watch this running, maybe. Space?
Sure. Oh, we don't have the animation, do we?
Okay. That's all right.
So we can't. But I mean, I could
do
quickly.
We have to, okay, but we have the rig, right? We can at least change the pose of it.
Yes. Oh, we hit the.
Perfect. Nice.
Beautiful. You get to see the horrid beard in all its glory.
Underchin beard. Honest ballet lessons, yeah. Ballet.
Beautiful.
Congrats, man.
Well, yeah, the texture makes me makes you realize that it's actually a very big skill, isn't it?
Is like, I mean, I also tried pixel arting in using the UVs. Oh, it's a mess. It's so difficult.
That's what I was thinking, like whether we could take the old AHA skins and like fit it on in a way.
It's hard.
Yeah, I think it would be hard too. But we'd have to. Maybe we can. People in the community want to try and remake characters and that if we ended up going 3D. But I don't know if we are. We're probably sticking to the 2D for AHA.